We're going to turn this 35-gallon trash can into a rain barrel. I took a 1.5-inch spade bit, drilled a hole at the bottom of the barrel, and added the bulkhead fitting that the guy at Home Depot happened to talk me into. That ran me about $14. I was not looking into getting that, but it was handy and it will prevent any leaks. And then I added in our spigot into that fitting. Now I did happen to go back and add some Teflon tape to the fitting and the spigot itself just to help with some extra protection. Just make sure you get it super tight so there are no leaks. So here I have used this same bit to put an ugly hole in here. Wow, that's super ugly. And then instead of doing the mesh netting type of stuff, I'm going to actually put one of these drain things in there. And that's what we have. Then I just took this bungee cord to hold the lid on. But I've got my homemade rain barrel. The guy at Home Depot talked me into getting this piece. Probably didn't need to spend $14 on that, but hey, we don't have to worry about any leaks or anything. Then we just screw this little nozzle in here and we're good to go. After one night of a major rainfall, we caught all this water, 35 gallons.